The data analysis process, a step-by-step guide to making sense of data. What is data analysis? At its core, data analysis is about turning raw data into meaningful insights that drive decisions. Whether you're tackling a business challenge, uncovering trends, or building a case for change, the secret lies in following a structured approach. Here's how you can navigate the data analysis journey step by step. Step 1. Asking questions. It all starts with curiosity. What problem are you trying to solve? What story do you want the data to tell? The quality of your analysis depends on the quality of your questions. Instead of asking why are sales down, try something more specific like which customer segments have shown decreased spending over the last quarter and why. Tip: break broad questions into smaller, actionable ones. Clarity and precision are your best friends here. Step 2. Data wrangling and munging. Before jumping into analysis, you need to whip your data into shape. 2A. Gathering data. Collect your data from relevant sources, be it databases, APIs, surveys, or other channels. Make sure it aligns with the questions you're asking. 2 billion. Assessing data. Evaluate your data. Is it complete, accurate, relevant? Knowing the strengths and weaknesses of your data set is crucial. 2C. Cleaning data. This is the not so glamorous part, but it's vital. Fix errors, fill in missing values, and standardize your data. Clean data is the foundation for reliable insights. Step 3. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Here's where things get exciting. You dig into the data to uncover patterns and insights. 3A. Exploring data. Start by visualizing your data with graphs and charts. Use descriptive statistics to identify trends and outliers. Tools like Python, R, or Tableau are fantastic for this. 3 billion. Augmenting data. If your data doesn't tell the full story, enhance it. Add supplementary data sets, create new variables, or categorize your data for better analysis. Step 4. Drawing conclusions. This is the aha moment of the process. Connect your findings back to your original questions. What does the data reveal? What actions or decisions can it support? Step 5. Communicating results, data storytelling. Insights only matter if they're understood. Use storytelling to present your findings, combine visuals, key takeaways, and actionable recommendations to engage your audience. Data doesn't drive change, compelling stories do. What's the fun part? The entire process feels like detective work. From asking the right questions to cleaning messy data and uncovering hidden patterns, each step is a rewarding challenge. And the best part, turning data into impactful insights that inspire action. What's your favorite part of the data analysis process? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.